Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janae Nichols. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on this wig from Bestlacewigs. It is 18 inches and it is 150 density. So I washed this hair yesterday when I bleached the knots. Yeah, I'm a little nervous because it's a 360 wig. I probably won't, I guess, glue it on the back because I forgot to bleach the knots in the back. I don't know how I forgot that. But yeah. But these are the curls. Really, really pretty. It's kind of messed up because I did wash it yesterday, so it already dried up. But yeah, all I'm gonna do is like put my hair in like 2 braids going back because, as you guys know, well, I don't know if y'all know this, but I'm not a wig wearer, whatever. So if it doesn't look that good to me, I'm not gonna wear it out in public. And I got places to go today, so I don't think I'm gonna wear a wig cap or like just braid my hair all the way up. I'm gonna just do 2 big braids going straight back, and then we're just gonna see if it works. If it doesn't work, I might have to do a wig cap and do like the whole shebang, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my hair into a rubber band. If you have a hair tie, I'll tell you guys to do that because rubber bands do break your hair off, but I can't seem to find one at the moment. So I'm gonna use a rubber band, and then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and just flip this up. Now, this wig, so like I said earlier, the bleach are already knotted. What? The bleach are already knotted. The knots are already bleached. I use L'Oreal Quick Blue with 30 volume. And it looks okay. Yeah, it looks okay. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Has 4 clips in it. So like 1 right in the middle, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. And it looks pretty good, like the way it's constructed. So that's a plus. I'm gonna cut this little label off, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off. So just put it on and see. This looks good already. Okay. Okay. I'm kind of excited. Hold on. Let me see. It's a bit big. It's big. Yeah, it's big. But we'll see. That other clip is like, where's that other clip at? I need to cut more. But this it looks pretty real so far. I know it looks crazy right now. I'm trying to find, okay, that other clip is like right here. Okay. And the way my hairline is set up, my hairline goes kind of like I don't know, kind of like a square. So it's just like that. So my edges, like my little peaks, always stick out. But maybe I can, I mean, I don't mind leaving my edges out a little bit because it might look more realistic. Okay, I'm messing with this. All right, so I'm just fixing this clip on the sides. With both of the clips on the sides. This probably would work so much better if I actually did have a wig cap on. Yeah, I'm gonna pull those things in the back to make it a little bit tighter. So basically, I've cut the lace to my liking, and now I'm just gonna spray some of this Got to Be Glue Free Spray. And then I'm just gonna put the wig on and then style it. Okay? And I'm just gonna spray this like right around my hairline. I'm not too much worried about over here, but I'll do it just cause like whatever. But okay. Okay, now the wig is completely secure on, it's not going anywhere. We're gonna do some baby hairs. So again, I'm gonna clip my hair back. I'm gonna focus more so like right here. I'm just gonna pull out a little bit. Take my scissors. And I'm just gonna cut at an angle and just make it pretty short. I'm just going to take some from the actual hair and mix it in with the baby hair to make it look natural, just like that, if you guys can see. I think I did a pretty decent job. Like, it's decent, you know? I think for someone who doesn't wear wigs like that, it's pretty decent. And a little bit at the top. And try not to get the water where you put the glue at, because it will lift up. Alright. I guess I could wet this part too. Alright, so this is how the hair looks when it's wet. It does shed. I got like this much hair, I don't know if you guys can see. Like this much hair. I'm just gonna rub my fingers through it. I want to flatten the top just a little bit more. Okay, for my product, I'm gonna be using the Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go, which smells so good. It smells so good. I'm just gonna rub that through the hair. Oh my god, y'all, it smells so good. I love it. All right, do the other side. Hopefully when this dries though, it doesn't have a wet look, because I'm not a big fan of it. Like, hopefully it dries like the way it was in the beginning of, hopefully it dries the way it was in the beginning of the video. I just want it to be a little bit more calmed down, have a little bit more control, but not like the wet look. So we'll see once it dries. Might have to play with it. But I like it. It's cute. Like, hi. Let me stop. Okay, let me figure out how I want to style it. Like, I've been gonna side part in a minute. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know how I want it. How do you want your hair, Janae? This is super cute though. You guys can see how cute this is. And like the hairline looks really good. Really good. How about I just let it dry and I come back once my makeup is done and we're gonna just see, okay? All right, so yeah. This is the hair, really cute. I'm gonna come back once my makeup is done and we're gonna talk about it. So that'll be like an hour from now, so I can like really feel it out, see how it dries, and then yeah, so I'll see you guys in like a second. Alright guys, so I did my makeup. The hair really isn't that style because I just took pictures and I kind of fluffed it up and messed it up. But this is a hair, I really like it. Like, I was gonna do a middle part, but I see that I have to pluck some more, so I'm not gonna do that because time purposes. But you know, you can wear it like that. Use that. You can wear it like this, clip it this way, do a middle part, do it like this. It's just really cute. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And it's 150 density, which you can kind of tell. If I didn't make it bigger, you could just like go like this and it's like very flat, which is okay if you like that when it's wet. But I like big hair. But I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So if you guys like this hair, like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next one.